Hi, hello, Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Sai Nakshatra Collections. I am Raksha. If anyone new to the channel, please subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, bell button click ಮಾಡಿ for more updates. ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. If anyone are interested in customization, please do contact me to the number displayed on the screen. I have all precious, semi-precious, all sort of beads with me. Please do refer my previous videos, and today's collections are completely real beads collections. First customization order ಬಂದು Chethan rubies 4mm in size, original precious one ಇದು ಓಕೆನಾ. Chethan rubies 4mm in size, ಕಟ್ಟು ತೀಗ ವರ್ಕು 24 inches ಇದು ಓಕೆನಾ. ವರ್ಕು ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 24 inches in long, ಕಟ್ಟು ತೀಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಡ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಮೇಡ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್, won't take so much of time. Handmade, it will definitely take time. So please ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನಗೆ time, if anyone has time constraint or anything like that, please do inform us before so that I can make according to your time. Okay na. So you need, so if anyone are interested in the Chethan rubies for 1 line, 2 line, 3 lines, n number of lines, you can contact me. And this is priced at rupees 1599, free shipping all over India. Kattu Tiga work. ಓಕೆನಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಈ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸು 3mm ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಮನಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 layered ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ 3mm ಇನ್ ಸೈಜು ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಮನಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮೀ ದ ಡಿಸೈನ್. ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ this design to be customized for 16 inch of length. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Take a closer look of the diamond, black diamonds and monolu. These are original black diamonds, 3mm in size, and original drop shape or rubies. Okay, 16 inches, 2 layered ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು. According to ma'am's requirement, I've customized this. This is priced at rupees 1599, free shipping all over India. If anyone are interested, you can do book your orders. Okay, so next design ಹೋಗೋಣ. So this is corals. These are drop shape corals ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is ma'am's ನನಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 layered coral drop shape one. Okay, just have a closer look of the corals, drop shape corals. The size of the coral is 5x7, 5x7. That's all size of the coral. 2 layered coral, drop shape coral. Okay, this is how it is. Take a closer look of the coral. This comes around 20 inches in long barutte. According to ma'am's requirement, I've customized this. If anyone are interested in this coral mala, you can do contact me. Take the closer look. Okay, you can go for n number of lines in this coral mala. This is priced at rupees 1050, free shipping all over India. If anyone are interested, contact me to book your orders. This comes around 20 inches in long. Okay na? So next ಬಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಈ ಪರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು. This is actually peach color pearls ಅಂತಾರೆ. It has a very good weight. This is also one customization order as ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 16 inches in long ಬರುತ್ತೆ. These are very elegant. This looks very nice with your Indo-Western outfit. It looks very elegant. College going girls ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, anyone, it looks very authentic, very nice pearls. These are peachish in color ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Look at the size of the pearl. It has a very good weight. It has a very good weight. When the beads which have weight, those are in a good condition pearls. Okay, which are not in weightless ಇರೋದು those are plastics. So these are ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರು. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದಿದ್ರು ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟು. You can pair it up with sarees also. It looks excellent. Window western look. It's a beautiful piece. If anyone interested in this pearl mala, you can do contact me. This has a very good look and a shine also with that pearl. Okay, na? If anyone wants in a longer length or in a shorter one, or 2 lines, 3 lines, anything, it may be just in katotega work also I can go with. If anyone are interested in this, you can do contact me. There is another pearl set. It is grey in color. Grey color pearl barutte. This is also 16 inches in long barutte. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಎರಡೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇ ಇನ್ ಕಲರ್, ಗ್ರೇ ಪರ್ಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಪರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ಎಲಿಗೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಪರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್. Okay, it doesn't go out of trend, and you can pair it with anything. It will go with any attire. Andre it's only pearls. Okay, in pearls also we're getting n number of colors. In pearls also we have in market. So these are grey in color. If anyone are interested in purchasing this pearl, you can do contact me. Beautiful agide. Okay, so this is priced at rupees 599, free shipping all over India. If anyone are interested, do please book your orders. These are readily available. 16 inches in length. 16 inches ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. You can go for 18, 19, 20 as per your requirements. So thank you so much for watching the video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.